How does no-fault work in workers' comp? Imagine getting hurt at work and not having to prove your employer was careless to get help. That's the core idea behind no-fault workers' compensation. When you suffer a work-related injury or illness, you don't need to show that your employer was negligent or at fault. Instead, if the injury is confirmed to be connected to your job and covered by your employer's workers' compensation insurance, you automatically qualify for benefits. These benefits include coverage for medical bills and wage replacement if you cannot work. Here's how it works step by step. First, you report your injury to your employer as soon as possible. It's best to do this quickly to avoid delays. Your employer then provides you with the necessary paperwork and instructions. They will file a claim with their workers' compensation insurance company and sometimes with the state workers' compensation board. The insurance company reviews the claim to decide if the injury qualifies. They will look at your report, medical records, and other evidence. If the claim is approved, you start receiving benefits. These benefits cover your medical expenses related to the injury or illness. They also include wage replacement payments if you are unable to work for a period of time. The amount of wage replacement is usually a percentage of your regular pay, often around 66 2/3%. The payments are made regularly until you recover or reach the maximum benefit period. This no-fault system is designed to make the process faster and less stressful. You do not need to prove that your employer was negligent or intentionally caused the injury. Instead, the focus is on whether the injury happened at work and is covered by the insurance. This means you can get help more quickly and with less hassle. The system also protects employers from being sued in civil court over workplace injuries. Instead, workers give up their right to sue their employer for negligence in exchange for guaranteed benefits. However, there are exceptions. If an employer intentionally harms an employee or acts with gross negligence, they might be held liable outside of workers' compensation. But these cases are rare and often complicated. Disputes about claims are usually settled through negotiations, mediation, or arbitration. Court trials are uncommon. From a personal injury law point of view, no-fault workers' compensation makes it easier for injured workers to get benefits without proving fault. It also limits the employer's liability, which helps keep insurance costs manageable. Overall, no-fault workers' compensation is meant to provide quick, reliable support to workers hurt on the job while protecting employers from costly lawsuits. It's a system designed to help injured employees focus on healing without the added stress of legal battles.